Hey, how's it going? I've got a little problem with these little black ants. They're coming out of this little crack here and then making their way this way and onto the dirty dishes. And I have a bunch of small kids, so this is a pretty common sight in the kitchen. If we don't clean it up immediately, they're on it pretty quickly. So it looks like they're coming in here. So I'm gonna take one of these, and I got this off Amazon. They're really cheap, like a buck per station. And there's a link in the description if you want to check it out. But basically, this is the packet, and the ingredients say it's 5% borax and 95% everything else. But basically, you just rip off this tab and set it up. So I'm going to set that right here, and we'll check it again in 12 hours and then maybe a few days later. Okay, here is the trap after 12 hours. You can definitely see a lot of the liquid's gone. There's a few dead ants in there. But they're not all going in there and dying. A lot of them are going in here, picking up some of this liquid, and heading right back to the nest. So it appears to be working pretty well. The kitchen's been ant-free, and they're pretty much going in here and going right back out. So let's check it in a couple days. All right, I can comfortably say this product works. All the liquid's gone. It's been about 3 days. And all the liquid's gone. There's tons of dead ants, and there's still a few ants that come in and out. It's not like they're completely gone, but they're so minimal, and I mean, they pretty much just altogether stopped. So this product definitely works. It's very, very reasonably priced at $1 a trap, and hope you enjoyed this, and good luck with your battle against your little ants. Take care.